My hobby, gardening. Gardening is my favorite hobby. It is fun and makes me happy. I love planting seeds, watering plants, and watching them grow. My garden has flowers, vegetables, and herbs. The flowers are colorful and smell so good. The vegetables, like tomatoes and carrots, are tasty and healthy. Gardening teaches me patience because plants take time to grow. It also makes me feel close to nature. I enjoy digging in the soil, feeling the sunshine, and hearing the birds sing. My family helps me sometimes, and we share the vegetables we grow. Gardening is not just a hobby. It is a way to take care of the earth. I feel proud when I see my garden full of life. I love gardening because it is peaceful, rewarding, and makes our world a little greener.